Saiham Knit Composite Ltd. Founded in 1984 and considered a pioneer of industrialization in Bangladesh, Saiham Group of Industries is one of the first composite textile units in the country. Saiham Group has 40 years of experience in the textile sector, ranging from spinning to ready-made garments and suit production, through its companies Saiham Knit Composite Ltd, Saiham Cotton Mills Ltd, Faisal Spinning Mills Ltd, and Saiham Tower. Saiham Knit Composite Ltd began its journey in 2011 as a vertically integrated factory with its own knitting, dyeing, printing and garments unit. Exporting to renowned international brands in USA and Europe, SKCL has been recognized as a top clothing manufacturer in Bangladesh, both domestically and internationally. Embodying the motto, quality, commitment and great value, Saiham Knit Composite Ltd has received accreditation for maintaining high-quality standards while prioritizing sustainability initiatives in the form of environmental protection and protecting workers' rights. The company ventured into producing suit with its subsidiary, Saiham Suits, in 2020, diversifying its product range while upholding the company's commitment to high quality and great added value. Saiham Knit Composite Ltd recognized that the ability to excel is to competitively meet our customers' needs through integrity, knowledge, skill, and teamwork of our employees. This is why we believe in quality, commitment and great value, providing quality products to our clients while upholding the highest standards of ethics, integrity and sustainability. It is our purpose to not only provide our clients with products of the highest quality, but to also create social value from our actions in order to promote a more sustainable world.